Kingston 11 now stop a balling, even after Duppy backs him down.
I mean Kingston 11. I mean say as you're dead, call me. As you're dead, call me. 3 grand sing.
What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Well, today we have what? I don't know if it's funny, if it's sad or it's exciting, but guess what? You remember Kingston 11 we say, as you're dead, call me. Well, brother, look like he goes mad the funeral and a ball and then he like it and backs him down. So check out, you know, brother, cause it sound funny. So make we see what go down. Who remember Kingston 11? As you're dead, call me. Mr. Dalkeith Wright, who does funeral Bawling Service.
I mean Kingston 11. I mean say as you're dead, call me. As you're dead, call me. 3 grand sing, 5 grand sing and ball, 7 grand sing ball and roll. And if you use car bar, dig me off a coffin to go down the hole at 10 grand. That's a town price. Country price of 5 grand sing, 7 grand sing ball and roll, 10 grand sing ball and roll. I got the coffin. If you use car bar and dig me off at 13 grand. As you're dead, call me. As you're dead, call me. If I'm staying at coffin, but you can't cover me. No, if you're going to cover me, you're going to put them 300 million each. And they can cover me. Yeah.
So as you're dead?
Call me. Any funeral. It's 819 7785. Put 876 in front of it.
Alright.
I'm in response to Medarest, Dovecat and Family Plot. Talk to me, Maple Calvary. Just talk to me, every cemetery. Talk to me, all pastors know me. V.T. Williams love me like wow. Pastor Blair adore me, cause when I sing, angel come to them church. I'm only a pilgrim and stranger in this unfriendly world that I know. For Jesus who has brought me from darkness has promised me a heavenly home. I like.
Well, in disclosed recently that he getting foot sprained by the hand of a Duppy, but he will not stop doing his work. The man job, or if he stop ball, all when Duppy backs him down, he's still a ball. Well, according to him, the incident took place while he was visiting a family funeral in the country, where he was walking and seemed to have stepped in the way of the Duppy, which caused him to fall down. But him feels say the man push him down. He all sprained his foot. The funeral baller, however, have decided in himself that he is brushing off the incident and will not stop him, even though it is the very first time he is experiencing the wrath of a Duppy. As a result of the injury he got, Kingston 11 say he has to now be wearing mostly slippers since his foot is too swollen to fit properly in a shoes. But regardless, Wright has expressed that he will still be carrying out his bookings for the remainder of the month and no ghosts going to deter him. Man have to eat food and Duppy need to understand that.
Dalkeith Wright, Kingston 11 hour can call me, was the funeral man. As you're dead, call me.
How long have you been doing this profession?
From 2006 when I saw 14 years, something like that, I going 15. But before I start doing the profession, I was always a funeral man from a child. Yeah.
What was your first gig like?
Alright, this was a friend of mine that they killed, and I decided that I would have to do a song for him. So I chose the song Pilgrim and Stranger, and the reception was very, very good. So I decided, you know, I'm going to start doing a thing like this. But another funeral now, I was doing this down there, but another funeral down in 2010, a lady that I killed at the bus stop in Waterhouse, Karen. When I did her funeral at a church on Oakland Road. trust me, it was different. The church was upside down. So I just decided that continue on a journey. This is can be a job, a profession. But I started out first just singing. I'm only a pilgrim and stranger in this unfriendly world that I roam. I'm very emotional, so at times I'm at some funeral, I find myself crying and I don't know who the person is and things. So I just put everything in and said, I know this is a profession. Most of the time I get called like, I have a funeral, I come do a song for me. And I just say, $3 grand. But what happened I was at Midwest doing a funeral here. And after that funeral, I left and go over to a next funeral that I see. And I started singing and people was crying, so I started to cry too. And after I finished doing what I was doing, the person from nowhere asked me if which funeral I come. So I tell them the one before. And I end up getting a little change, so I just tell myself, so, no, so this is a profession. And I start working with it. I'm longing for home. The sun go it down. I want to go where sweet rest can be found.
About his services, Wright said the impact is greatly felt at funerals, considering that most of the time people are crying in a state of mourning. And when he shows up and starts doing his thing, it evokes laughter. For Kingston 11 though, things do get a bit emotional for him as well, as he explained that at times he breaks down in real tears when he finds out how the person died. The funeral baller explained in his talk that at this point his price ranges from $3,000 to $10,000. However, due to the increase in price in food and other things, he is looking to increase his rates for the summer. So, man say, food a go up, gas a go up, everything a raise. So, the man have to raise in price because food have to eat, as me say, man have to live and bills have to pay. So, I don't know if him a go intensify the balling for the raise a fee. But then again, a whole heap of things raise and we not get no extra. So, probably not go give no extra. But, make we see how it gonna.
I mean Kingston 11. I mean say as you're dead, call me. As you're dead, call me.